can there. And yeah, there's a gas leak in here. The police are coming out and all sorts. Right, there's kids in here everywhere. Came into some pictures, but I smell gas. And yeah, gas leak there. This is a major main. And yeah, like, oh, you see, let's get out of here. We'll have to report this. There's kids setting fires and stuff in here all the time. See, police, please. Fire. Yes.
Alright, and whereabouts is opposite the Strawberry Duck?
Yeah, on the other side of the canal, an old factory.
Where's the gas leak coming from?
The gas main inside the building. People's have gone in there now with a petrol can.
Inside the building?
Yes, I've just been in to take some pictures of an old building. And
is it a derelict building?
Yes, it is, but there's a main gas leak in there. Really bad, trust me. I'm staying away, well away from it,
right.
especially when the lad's gone in there with a petrol can.
I'll text over the log number and I'll contact fire, okay?
Alright, can you contact the gas board as well?
Yeah, I will do, thank you.
Alright, cheers. Can you keep me updated as well, please?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, bye. Don't know where you can hear it, but I can hear the sirens and stuff coming. But I think they're coming from the wrong way. So we'll have to go around the other way. Oh, here they are. There they are. I'll flag them down and tell them what's going on. Right, major gas leak in that building, yeah? Yeah, just seen kids go in there with a petrol can. And basically, see where that white sign is?
Yeah, we've been in before.
Yeah, there's a main there, and it's been cut, and someone's put like a inner tube around it, right. But it's leaking really bad. And like I say, the people going in there with
where that white sign is,
yeah, there's a main gas main coming in.
All right, mate, thank you.
By the sounds of it, they know about it, so the gas being out and turned it off. It's fucking serious, this. Pardon my French. There's always kids in there, always. Right, yeah, I've got Dylan here from a TikTok. Like I say, loads of people are going in this place, especially young people, and he's got to tell you what he was doing.
So basically, I was in here with my friends and all that. We're on the second floor. Loads of police officers and firemen were here. We had to quickly get out of this place. It was my first time being in here. It may not look like it because I obviously have got all this on me. Quite scary, I have to say. I left. I honestly almost pissed myself.
Yeah.
Scared me.
What's your channel called for TikTok?
Backflip Boy 39.
Oh, you do backflips? No.
I just named myself that.
I was going to say do one then. But, yeah, no worries. Yeah, so like I say, there's loads of people coming in here and all over the place. It's like a well-known place for urbexing and stuff like that, so like I said, it sounds like sirens around the other side, so yeah. You can get in down there. Yeah, just down there. There's woods where you can get through, or if you go further down, the gate's broken.
Where's the gas main you're on about?
There, that's the gas main.
You've not smashed that one off.
On the inside. On the inside. Trust me. You want to see the video evidence?
No.
And like you said, that's a gas main going in. And I'm staying well away because I know what buildings go up when they have a spark. And like I said, I've seen people go in there with a petrol can, so Yes, I'm staying well away. Crazy. Crazy. Got the crew coming out now. I'm just going to cut the camera now for anyone. Like you see there, they've closed the road off. My mouth's a bit dry, so I'm just calling it the local strawberry duck.
Get me on there.
No, I won't. So, yeah, they're taking it serious. It's good to see they're taking it serious because, like you see, there's kids and adults and families walking through all the time down this path.
Thank you. Yeah, Jake's got that air good stuff.
Like you see, it's not actually closed it off because there's actually a family walking through with the kids and stuff. But they are monitoring it, and they said they go to get the gas board to come out and cap it for good. So, yeah, hopefully they do that. And yeah, we'll see what goes on. More police there. I don't know what this ambulance is doing. It just came out of the pub. Yeah. I hope everyone's safe. There's I think it's the fire chief's car's turned up down there as well. So, yeah. Not closed off still. Yeah, I think the ambulance has just turned up just in case, safety. Yeah. Right, anything else happens, I'll let you know. It's just a couple of little kids came out, innocent kids, and the police just started chasing them. Yeah, like I say, it's full of kids, this place, at the moment. And with that gas going on, you got to stay away from it. So, yeah. You can see the ambulance service there and the fire crews turned up and the police. I think that, like I say, the ambulance have just turned up for safety sakes, and you can actually see someone coming up the path here now, up the canal bank. And yeah, the police are going in now, and basically, like I say, they've not closed it off, but they are monitoring it quite closely and clearing the factory out itself of the people who shouldn't be in there. Sorry about if the wind gets a bit noisy, but yeah, the gas board's there now, sealing up. Just walk down. So, like you see, that was the gas pipe just there. Was it a good call, mate?
What, being called out?
Yeah, was it good to call that one out? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause
Take the call?
I went in and taken some pictures.
Right.
And basically seeing it with loads of kids in there, and someone was going in with a petrol can as well.
Yeah.
So I thought, instead of just phoning gas leak, I phoned 999.
No, it was the right call. Keep everything safe.
Yeah.
Hayden are here now. We're just handing the incident over to them, and they're going to deal with it from here on. Yeah.
Yeah, take it to God's cap it proper, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you're off camera. See you later, mate.
Yeah.
Check us out. And like you see there, the, British Gas or whatever they're called now, are out to sort it out. Right, you can see the gas man there at the wall where the leak is. Like I say, there's loads and loads of people walking past all the time. Some down there, some here, and yeah, some there and some there. So it's crazy. Yeah, like you see, the gas board's behind us. The fire brigade's left, the police left. They've sealed it up now. Stop the leak at the moment. They want to see the inspectors come out and see whether they're going to actually block it off even more by digging up the road and stuff. I'll try and keep up to date with that, so catch you soon. Stay safe till then. Bye bye. Like you see, they've chopped the pipe off now. Yeah, dug a hole, removed a piece over there, done something down there, so job's a good one.